Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Wi-Fi in your computer. First, locate the network icon, usually found in the bottom right corner of your screen, near the clock. Click on it to open the Quick Settings panel. Next, select Network and Internet Settings to access the full configuration options. Ensure your computer's wireless adapter is enabled. It often appears as a toggle switch. This initial step is crucial for your device to even detect available networks. Once in the network settings, you'll see a list of all available wireless networks within range. Carefully scan this list to find your specific Wi-Fi network, identified by its unique name, also known as the SSID. For example, it might be my home network or coffee shop guest. Click on your chosen network name. This action prepares your computer to establish a connection, moving you to the next essential step. After selecting your network, a prompt will appear asking for the security key or password. This is the secret phrase that protects your Wi-Fi. Type it in precisely, paying close attention to uppercase and lowercase letters, as passwords are case-sensitive. There's often an option to show password to verify your entry. You might also see a checkbox to connect automatically, which is convenient for frequently used networks. Finally, after entering the password, click Connect. Your computer will attempt to establish a link. Once successful, the network icon will change, indicating a strong connection. To confirm internet access, open your preferred web browser and navigate to any website. If you encounter issues, double-check your password or ensure your Wi-Fi adapter is still active. Sometimes, a simple restart of your router can resolve minor glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.